Hello everyone. Are you wondering why you're not getting more subscribers? And probably you're worried that you need to hit up your 4,000 watch hours. You're wondering how are you going to hit up your 4,000 watch hours? And I think is it 4,000 watch hours and 5,000 subscribers or so, I guess, or 3,000. And you're wondering how are you going to meet up with that in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, so that your YouTube can get monetized, and you're worried. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get subscribers. All right. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to comment if it has helped you. Well, all right. So now let's get straight into the video. Make sure that you're in your YouTube studio, and most of the things I teach you guys, if you notice, we deal mostly with the YouTube studio. All right, that is where the magic happens. All right, and the wand is in my mouth. So I'm going to teach you guys how to get more subscribers. This thing is a very easy trick, so that as soon as people get into your profile or your channel, they would see the link over there, and when they click on it, it's going to tell them to automatically subscribe to your channel. I mean, nobody will click on the link and it will show them please subscribe, and you wouldn't subscribe. You would want to subscribe. So let's not take too much time. Let's get straight into it. All right, so now we are in our YouTube studio, and make sure that you find your way down to customization. Okay, find your way down to customization, then you make sure that you're in your profile, then you scroll all the way down to your channel URL. So now we are going to be making use of this channel URL. Okay, so what you're going to do is you copy your channel URL, make sure it's copied, and now go and open another tab and search for YouTube auto subscribe. When you search for this, you're going to see this social video plaza. Okay, so you click on it and just let it load. Okay, so now we are in this wonderful looking interface. Then you just paste your URL here, Ctrl V, and you click on generate and wait for it to do the magic. All right, this is our new link, and this is what we're going to be using. This is the magic. And what next are you supposed to do? Click on copy link to clipboard. You can just do that and click on Ctrl C. If you're using your PC, click on Ctrl C, and let's go back to our YouTube studio. So on getting to our YouTube studio, the next thing you're going to do is you can now add this thing to any video you want to post or publish. You can add it to your video description. You can add it to your channel description. Just add it to strategic places that you know that links are allowed. All right, so now we are going to be adding this link to our description. All right, so this was the formal link, or this was the default link that YouTube gave to me, and I'm just going to sorry YouTube, okay, this is just for the purpose of this video, and backspace. We've taken that down, and the next thing you're just going to do is Ctrl V, and you're going to paste the new link that has been generated for us. Okay, so now after putting this link, I'm not saying you should change the link here. Don't change it, leave it there. That's the default link YouTube gave to you. But for the fact that you need more subscribers, we need to find a way around it. Okay, and that is how we came about this link. Okay, so after you've pasted the link to your description, the next thing is you're supposed to do is click on publish. A lot of people do this mistake a lot of times. You just do something on YouTube Studio, and sometimes you just go back. You've not all your effort has been wasted already. So what you do next is click on publish. This publish, you must click on it. so that it will activate whatever setting you've done. Okay, so let's say for instance, I think I uploaded a video, so I think so. All right, you can see now. Okay, the video is here. So now for this video, now you're going to still put that link in the description of this video. Okay, now we're going to click on the pencil icon there, and now this description, you're going to write out all your description for the video and paste the link. Make sure that you paste the link at the end of the video, so that when people are going through the video description, they are going to see that link, and you're going to tell them to click on that link below to view or to get more of this kind of content. Okay, that's the same way I'm going to say under this video. Click the link below this video so that you can watch more of my educative content. Okay, click that link and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, because I am here to give you guys fact-based content and educative content. Okay, so make sure that you click on it, and that's what else are you supposed to do. Go all the way down, add your thumbnail, add your title, add your playlist, and do some other settings. Add all these things I've actually explained it in a video. Just go to my channel and you watch the video on how to optimize your video, optimize your channel. Okay, so after all this setting has been done, then you click on save. Make sure you click on save and you publish your video. If anybody clicks on your video and they go down to the description, they're going to find that link there. If anybody clicks on your channel and they go to your description, they want to know what's up with your channel, how or what your channel does, they're going to see that link there. And a lot of people click on the link. If they click on the link, it's going to show them, please subscribe to this channel, and they subscribe. If you're looking for subscribers, just do this. It's a very, very simple trick, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please click on the link below. Click on the link below if you've learned something from this video, and subscribe to my channel. Like this video and share this video to that YouTuber that is just starting off his or her YouTube journey. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.